So, depending on your experience, the word father might not bring the best images. Maybe you had a dad that was quite distant, harsh, or just not around. But you see, God isn't like that. He isn't just an absent father. He's the kind of father who truly knows you, and he truly loves you, and he sticks with you no matter what. And here's the crazy part. He wants you in his family. You've been brought into a family where love, care, and protection are all yours forever. It's not always easy, and yes, sometimes you might feel like you've lost the signal, but this relationship is rock solid. And what this means for you, the Bible says, "Yet to all who did receive him, to those who believe in his name, he gave the right to become children of God." You can find that in John 1:12. A real relationship isn't based on feelings, but on truth. And just as a child is part of a family, even when they don't feel close to him, our connection to God is based on his promises, not our emotions. Some might say worship, obedience, and submission define our connection to God. But these aren't separate from a relationship. They're part of it. You see, a good parent loves, teaches, and expects obedience, not as a distant master, but as a close, loving father. Through Jesus the Messiah, we don't just serve. He knows us personally.